All right, everybody. Guess what we're going to do today? We are going to do an unboxing. I've never done one of these before, but I see other people do them, and they're always exciting. Even if it's not my package, it's still exciting to see what somebody else is getting. So today we have this. What do you think's in here? I don't know. We're going to find out. I think I do know. I'm not sure, but I think I do know. So we're going to open this up. And we're going to see what we got. Okay. All right. Oh. Looks like it's from Auto World. Packaged well. Okay. Now, are you ready? Are you ready? Ooh. Ooh. I like that. I saw these recently, and I already have a couple of them. Hang on, I'll show you the other. I'll show you the other one. Well, I'll show you. Let me see what I can show you here. Okay. I actually do have one more of these somewhere, besides the ones in my hand. But I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the other ones I had. I bought this one and put decals on it. It's just a white one, and I put it on AFX chassis. But that's one. And then I have this red one, and I actually have a brown one as well with a black top. But when I saw the purple one, I'm like, wow, I want that purple one. I do like these Dodge Chargers quite a bit. I think that they're pretty cool. I'm not sure. I think I'll probably just leave it in the package, because some cars I race and some cars I just leave in the package, and this might be one that just gets left in the package. But yes, I think the purple one is really sharp. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.